welcome back to my channel. Today I want to show you how I make these amazing jalapeno tacos. Look at that, so amazing, so delicious. So stay tuned so I can show you how I made this. First off, I'm going to be using jalapenos and I'm going to roast them. So they have to be roasted. And here I have some skirt steak, which I'm going to be cutting up in tiny pieces. And really just use as much as you're going to make tacos. There's really no recipe here. Use whatever you need. Now in my pan, I'm going to add some oil. And I'm going to wait until that gets super hot before I drop in my meat. Now, for seasonings on these babies, I like to use Chef Merito. And I'm going to also be using some lemon pepper. And here's your Chef Merito. I use that for everything. I really do. That is delicious. I love it. And I'm going to be adding a little bit of paprika. Trust me, this gives the meat some great flavor. And I'm just going to cook this until it browns. Now I will be adding in some diced onion. You don't have to add that in, but I think it gives it superior flavor too. And this is just about done. So now I'm checking on my jalapenos and they're pretty much roasted to how I like it. So we'll continue on. And after they have cooled, I'm taking off the skin. You can put it in a bag, like in a plastic bag, for about 20 minutes, and it'll be easier. I didn't do that and it was okay. Not too bad, not too hard to take it out. And I'm going to de-seed it. Now I am going to be using a cheese that's called Munster cheese or meunster. I don't even know what it's called. But anyways, it's a melting cheese that's super delicious. I'm going to cut off the ends of these and sticking that cheese right in there. And just be placing this on a baking sheet until I get all of these done. And after that, what I did was I put it in the oven so that the cheese melts. And it probably took about 5 to 10 minutes. See how melty that is? So these are ready. I also whipped up some corn tortillas. You've got to have some fresh corn tortillas for these tacos. And now it's time to assemble. So on your tortilla, you're going to put your jalapeno, your meat. I have some guacamole here and some cilantro with some diced onion. And I'm going to continue to do the rest of my tortillas just like that. You can add double tortilla on these. I didn't, but you can if you like. And if you want the recipe for my corn tortillas, I will have it up on top or down below. So I'm finishing this up right now, and I also did make a salsa to go with these. And I did whip up some frijoles charros that you see there. Super easy, and I also will have the recipe for that. And you know where to find it. And pretty much these are done. Here I'm just adding my salsa. You all really have to try these. This is the first time I had tried this, and they are bomb, like really, really, really delicious. Well, I hope you like this recipe, and I hope that you make it. Thank you for watching. Bye.